Earning $3,000 a day is within reach within pool funding. But that will never happen if you don't understand how you get paid inside pool funding. First, you need to set aside any disbelief that this is even possible for you, or that only a few people in pool funding will ever achieve this level of income. Pool funding was specifically designed to make this level of income a reality for the masses, and that includes you. Clearly, if you are collecting $3,000 a day over 365 days, you will be earning over $1 million a year. That's the dream, right? So, let's make this dream come true for you. In pool funding, you have a daily task to do that can be fully automated. It starts by clicking a Pay Now button that leads you to confirming a transaction within your MetaMask digital wallet, which is connected to your account page on our website. Completing this task usually takes less than 30 seconds from the time you click the Pay Now button. Each pool has a Pay Now button. So if you were to manually complete this task in all 4 of our pools, that should take less than 2 minutes of your time daily. If you are just getting started, you will be doing this daily in either one or both of our starter pools. The Pay Now button disappears for 20 hours after completing a payment. When the button returns, you have up to 8 hours to make your next payment in order to keep your active status going. The best thing to do is make your daily payment at about the same time each day. We refer to all of our members as co-founders at this time, but later this term will change to partners. In either case, you get 100% of whatever you build inside pool funding. We have a separate market-based coin associated with each of our 4 pools. You can sponsor people into pool funding, so you do not have to buy our coins to resell them. We call the people you sponsor referrals. When your referrals click the Pay Now button, they will get coins equal to the market value at the moment they clicked the Pay Now button. These coins will season within their account for 90 days, and then they will be automatically deposited into their MetaMask digital wallet. As long as you stay active by completing this task daily, the payments your referrals make will be directed into your wallet. Otherwise, the payment goes into the general fund we call the guarantee. These payments are made using the stablecoin USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. One USDT coin is always worth 1 paper US dollar and is easily converted from digital to paper as needed. For example, let's say you are making daily payments in the $1 pool, and you get just 1 referral to do the same. When your referral clicks on the Pay Now button, their $1 USDT payment will instantly go directly into your MetaMask wallet. Like I said, you get 100% of whatever you build, and that's the value of you partnering up with us in pool funding. Both you and this 1 referral will be accumulating $1 a day of our PFI coin each, as both of you continue to make daily payments. By the time these coins season for 90 days, the value of what you purchased is most likely going to be higher. Just remember, you control when you sell these coins within the market, and it is best to hold them until you get the higher price you want. We are bringing in many products and services ongoing that can be purchased using our coins. This example is true for each of our pools, and you can have unlimited numbers of direct referrals paying you daily across these pools. We make getting referrals as easy as possible. Currently, we have an offer where you can purchase paid signups for the $10 pool, and the price is very reasonable. This is a done-for-you solution. Plus, you can pay for an AI agent to work for you to call prospects on the phone and sell them on pool funding automatically. Out of these referrals you will accumulate, it shouldn't take long to get 4 of them to be motivated to do what it takes to follow you all the way up to the $1,000 pool. We offer ongoing training and live Zoom calls to teach you how to save and scale your way up into the $1,000 pool. So when 4 of your referrals are sending $1,000 a day each, the daily revenue is $4,000 a day. You need to remain active by sending $1,000 a day. The result is, you will be earning $3,000 in positive daily cash flow, and then you can celebrate becoming a millionaire. Now you understand how pool funding works and how you get paid. The only question is, how long will it take you to become a millionaire in pool funding? The answer to that question really depends on you, doesn't it? If you take this opportunity seriously, becoming a millionaire can happen fast. I predict some of you will make this happen within your first month. Most of you should be able to do it in less than a year. Regardless of how long it does take, you can count on being fully supported in all of your efforts within pool funding. We look forward to making all your dreams come true.